This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove followers on Facebook page. So if you have a page with a lots of followers and you want to remove some random peoples from your Facebook page followers list, follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch your Facebook app and now log into your account. Now we need to switch to our Facebook page, right? So tap on this menu icon at the bottom right and tap on this arrow icon next to your name. And now select the page. Now open your Facebook page profile by tapping here. Once you are in your page profile, tap on followers and here select followers and here you will get your page followers. Now to remove any people from your followers list, tap on this three dot next to the profile and here to remove someone you have to block them from your Facebook page. So tap on block and tap on continue. And this is how we can easily remove someone from Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.